Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'm sharing to you the details of how to replace or remove the toner cartridge from HP Laser MFP 179nw model printer. HP 179nw model printer is one of the latest model multifunction laser printer from HP brand. It has print, scan, copy, fax, automatic document feeder, network printing and wireless printing functions. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive a notification of new uploaded videos. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. Also, we are uploading videos of refill cartridges of different models. Okay, let's see where is the toner cartridge and how to replace this toner cartridge from this printer. First, turn off the printer and then disconnect the power cord from the wall socket or power strip. After then, open the cartridge access door. You must disconnect the power cord before reaching inside the printer to avoid risk of injuries or electric shock. When a toner low or toner very low message displays on the printer control panel, replace a toner cartridge. It has 4 toner cartridges. K means black, C means cyan, M means magenta, Y means yellow. Also include a imaging drum. Imaging drum number is 120A. This is the imaging drum of this printer. Remove the toner cartridges from this printer one by one. Grasp each side of the toner cartridge and then pull out the toner cartridge to remove it. From above, first is yellow. Now I removed yellow. Model number is W2072A. Next, magenta. Also the same procedure. Carriage. This is 117 magenta or W2073A. This number of magenta color. Magenta also removed. Next, cyan. The left side of the printer mention which color. Now C means cyan. Model number 117A or W2071A. Next, the last one, black. Mention on left side K. Model number W2070A or 117A black. Now all cartridges are removed. 2 toner cartridges are original and the other 2 cartridges are compatible. This is the original toner cartridge of this printer. 117A black. On the right side mention W2070A. Also mention on this cartoon which printer works with this toner. Approximate 1000 pages print capacity of black toner. Next, 117A cyan W2071A. And next 117A yellow or W2072A yellow. Next 117 magenta or W2073A. Approximate 700 pages print capacity of color toners. Let's see how to insert new toner cartridge. Remove a new toner cartridge from its package and then recycle the packing materials. Grasp both sides of the toner cartridge and then gently rock the toner cartridge back and forth to distribute the toner. Lift the cover and then pull out the cover until you remove all the sealing tape from the toner cartridge. From below, first toner is K. K means black. Toner number W2070A. Insert the toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer and then push in the toner until it's firmly seated. Black inserted. Next, C. C means cyan. Model number W2071A. Also the same procedure. Repeat these steps to install any other new toner cartridge. Insert the cyan toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer and then push in the toner cartridge until it's firmly seated. Cyan also inserted. Next, M means magenta. Model number W2073A. Insert the toner cartridge with the tracks inside the printer, then push in the toner cartridge until it's firmly seated. Magenta also inserted. Next, the last one, Y. Y means yellow. Model number W2072A. Repeat again. Insert the yellow cartridge with the tracks inside the printer, then push in the toner cartridge until it's firmly seated. Now all toner cartridges are inserted. Please note, if you insert any toner with the wrong position, printer doesn't work. So check again, then close the access door. Reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet or power strip and then turn on the printer. With the new toner cartridge installed, the printer is now ready to print. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.